And here we go again sa ating combination of the day. Jab, straight, and the horizontal elbow plus footwork. And yes, let's start. Sa jab muna tayo. Paulit-ulit muna sa jab. Then straight. And combination. And it's the jab straight. Then, pwede kayong mag-bounce. Yung paa nyo, make it light, make it light. Huwag masyadong flat para madaling gumalaw. And footwork, of course. And here we go sa ating elbow. Yan. Paulit-ulit muna ulit para ma-develop natin yung form. And then we can do our combination na. Pwede natin ipasok yung jab straight and elbow. Straight, elbow left, jab, elbow right. Then yes, ipasok natin yung footwork. Jab straight elbow, forward, backward. Yan, diagonal stance. Face to your right, face to your left. Yep. Always visualize lang natin na meron tayong opponent sa harap. And ayun, hanap na ng space. Kung nasa bahay ka, nasa opisina na walang oras pumunta ng gym. Let's go, do the work. Burn that calories. Let's go, let's go. Push! And that's our combination of the day. See you sa next video.